Guys, welcome back to my channel. Bonsoir, bonsoir, comment allez-vous? Chez moi, ça va par la grâce de Dieu. All right, guys, you remember on Saturday, I showed you a skincare tip on how to scrub your face. And you remember we blended 1 orange with a ginger. Remember that? And you only took 1 spoon for your mixture. Remember that? All right. So the remaining orange and ginger, this is what I'm gonna have you guys do. You are going to use it to make your own oil for your face and your neck. All right, that's why I told you guys, don't throw it away. It's gonna serve you for something else. Vous remarquez que c'est l'orange qu'on a utilisé pour faire notre mixture pour le visage. Et donc, le reste, vous allez utiliser ça pour faire votre huile de visage et de cou. D'accord? Tout ce dont vous avez besoin, ce sont les mêmes ingrédients, hein, comme je vous ai dit là. Mais là, on n'avait pas ajouté le miel et le bicarbonate de soude. Vous vous rappelez? Donc, on va les ajouter encore. Donc, 1 cuillerée à soupe de miel et 1 cuillerée à soupe de bicarbonate de soude et 4 cuillerées à soupe d'huile. Moi, ici, j'utilise l'huile d'avocat. Vous pouvez utiliser l'huile d'olive ou bien l'huile de ricin.
Depends on how much sun you're getting, your location, how much wind, the weather. There's so many factors there, but that's a general rule of thumb. So setting up your own.
L'huile, vous allez ajouter 4 cuillerées à soupe d'huile. Donc j'ai ajouté 4 cuillerées à soupe d'huile, d'accord? Et vous le mélangez. You use 4 tablespoons of oil, all right? And you add that to your mixture. Fini de tout mélanger. Maintenant, on va passer à la préparation de l'huile. Vous allez faire en fait, vous allez utiliser une petite casserole et une grande casserole. Donc, dans la petite casserole, vous allez mettre votre mixture là. Have a steamer, you can use a steamer to kind of like make your oil, but I'm doing it the traditional way just to show people so that everybody knows that they have the ability to do it. All you need to do is, you know, add your mixture to a small kind of like saucepan, and then the bigger saucepan will have the water in it, and then you let it boil. Let it, you know, for like about, I would say 30 minutes. Guys, after 30 minutes of boiling, steam boiling as you can see. So now it's time for you to transfer the liquid into your jar, okay? Maintenant c'est le moment de verser l'huile. This is after 30 minutes. Now that you have transferred everything into a jar, it's time to close it and let it sit for 24 hours. The reason why you let it sit for 24 hours is because you really want, even though you steamed it, you know, you really want all your ingredients to, you know, work together and to take effect. So, la raison pour laquelle vous laissez ça se reposer pendant 24 heures, c'est pour que vraiment tout puisse bien se mélanger et prendre effet. After 24 hours, look at the results. Hello guys, so this is after 24 hours. I know for you guys it's gonna feel like, right, a second, but it's been 24 hours already. I want to take every little piece. As you can see, I don't even want to miss anything. I want to take everything. This oil is so precious. Donc pour ceux qui parlent le français, là, c'est le moment d'extraire l'huile. Ça fait déjà 24 heures. Non, c'est le moment d'extraire l'huile. Cette huile-là, vous pouvez l'utiliser sur le visage, sur le cou, ou même carrément mélanger cette huile à votre pommade normale. C'est comme si vous avez fait la vitamine C en fait, mais cette huile-là aide à enlever les taches et à éclaircir le teint. Quand je dis éclaircir, c'est pas pour devenir blanche. D'accord. So here's the oil. So some people might say, oh, I want to see the pure oil without anything else. To be honest with you, I don't want to filter too much because to me, all the ingredients are natural. So that's why usually I only strain it. You can use like a cheesecloth to remove any excess of, of your mixture. But everything here, you can put that on yourself. So seriously, it's so precious to me that I don't want to have to waste anything. So here's the oil. I want to take a little bit, pour a little bit on my I'm going to pour a little bit of oil on my hand so you can see it. You see the oil? You see the oil? Oh, that oil feels good. You can even use this oil if you want to do some type of massage. You know, you can use it for so many different things. You can even pour a little bit of it into your regular soap so that your soap will be moisturized, will work as a moisturizer, you know. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, before I forget, this residue here that you see, you can either throw it away or you can simply mix it into your regular soap so that, you know, you have more soap for yourself. Okay? You don't need to throw this away. You can mix it in your soap. All right? Usually that's what I do. I don't like wasting any of these because these are all natural ingredients. So I'm going to mix this into my soap. All right? It's up to you. If you want to throw it away, it's up to you. But again, you can mix it into your soap or even take a little bit of it, mix it into your hand soap if you want to have some really soft hands. You can do that. All right? That's it for this video. Don't forget again to share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and God bless you. Please don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Abonnez-vous à ma chaîne. Merci et que Dieu vous bénisse. Bye bye.